Who is that rat and what are you doing here?
I might be a rat to you, but I could also be a pest to you, Mbago. Yes, I know that everyone in this kingdom fears you. I also know that the mighty men tremble at your presence. But I have realized that you are nothing but a coward. Yes, if not, why would you choose to cast a spell on the prince before going in with him? Why? Why won't you do what every other woman does?
Why are you digging your grave in my compound?
Bury me. Bury me in the grave, oh my God! Bury me! Why can't you seduce him into liking you as you have claimed him to be your husband? Why can't you seduce him? Why cast his spell?
What on earth gave you the guts to walk into my territory and ask me stupid questions?
No! 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 My questions are not stupid, and you know that. They're not stupid. Listen, I used to be afraid of you, but not anymore. You know why? Because you have tampered with the people that I love. Mbago, just one request. Leave my friend the Prince Ifekante alone to live his life in peace. Else you will see your downfall. Hello! Hello!
At least now you have confirmed that the woman is not as powerful as you people make her look.
That woman is evil. Aye. If not that I first went to drink the water from the sacred Apalata stream, that attack from her would have killed me. I'm telling you. I gave her a dose. Who is she?
Listen, the truth is that we must stop seeing this woman as a Jedi. She's a human. And she's already doing too much. We have to bring her down before she destroys us.
Jero, who is seeing her as dreaded? Me. She's an idiot. That I didn't get because they call her Mbago. Mbago say.
We have to do something.
The next I will visit her. I'm telling you. Oh, if she raises that thing again, she's an idiot.
Mbago the greatest.
Your Majesty.
To the best of my knowledge, you have had your way with my son. And that is what you had always wanted. Now that you have had your way, please, can you grant my request?
I've not done anything with your son.
What?
But there are forces stopping him from having a ration in my presence.
What does that mean? My son has not been exposed to any forces. He's still a young man.
You're feeling that way because you've not been paying close attention. You cannot trust young men of today. If I cannot have my way, then you cannot become the King of Kings.
What forces? If you want me to assist in the destruction of these forces or these powers. Can you please guide me? Who are they?
Stop your son. He will always submit to the power of down the strong. And those powers are stopping me from having my way. He cannot have erection before me.
The forces, which forces is you don't even know the forces. Can you even manage this?
When we have failed with our mortal powers, we must seek the face of the forces that are mightier than us. I have come to the central deity of Ogbendida to inform you that the evil ones are trying to assume gods over your children. Please, please, hear my cry and give me power. Give me strength to confront them. For if nothing is done, it will be recorded that a man of Ogbendida has been made to marry a woman who is old enough to be his mother.
Okunka! 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 The son of Mbadiwe Okunka. I know why you are here. I know why you are here. But be not afraid, for evil only triumphs when the elect of the gods do nothing. She is constantly weakening your friend with her evil spell.
Oh. Is that say? I have decided to do something. Just in line with his name, Ifekante. That which is mightier than Nte has entered Nte's house. In other words, that which is mightier than the termite has entered the termite's hole. The evil one has a strong grip over my friend, that if care is not taken, she will succeed in making my friend her husband.
Ezabada of Ogbendida is compromised. And that is why he has been avoiding me.
What? Please. Please, Ezalose. Please, I beg of you, please. Please. Please help. Please help on behalf of the royal family. I vowed on my honor that if you rescue my friend from this disaster that is waiting to happen, I, Okunka, the son of Mbadiwe, will offer you a ram after the harvest. Please help.
Take this sand, which I have picked before you. Go straight to the prince. The moment you set your eyes on the prince, throw the sand upon him, and all the negative influences will disappear, will be neutralized. He will become free, and nothing again will work against him.
Thank you.
Ensure to lead him out of the palace. Immediately, you will notice her powerlessness.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Now let's go. I promise I will never support you.
If any man would than you, Anyaka walaga nu, Mbago iwan you, Alueme, who will save us? Who will liberate us?
Ife Kante. Prince Ife Kante. Prince. My prince. It's me. Okunka, the son of Mbaiwe.
What was that? What happened?
I came to rescue you. We don't have much time. Yes, we need to leave here. We don't have much time.
You have come to rescue me?
Yes.
Rescue me from what exactly?
From Mbago. That evil woman has been casting spells at you. She wants to make you her husband. I'm telling you, she wants to make you her husband. And she has been using all the powers that she has accumulated to do this. I'm telling you.
Are you serious?
I am very serious.
Wait. Could that be the reason I have been having strange dreams?
Yes. Listen. If I can take. This evil woman is determined. I'm telling you. And we know that she can never stop. Do you understand? With this sacred sound that I just thrown at you now, I believe that her spell is broken.
Yes. Yes, because I felt something. I felt something just left me.
Good.
Yes, I got that effect. Like, I felt something Just left my body.
What left you was that spell that I just broke on.
Oh my goodness.
Listen. We must wait for her next visit to confirm her helplessness. Immediately this is confirmed, we must leave immediately before she revives.
Yes.
You understand?
You're right.
But meanwhile, let us leave here now.
Okay. Oh.
I feel like I'm betraying my man.
How do you mean?
This is the time that he needs me the most. And I haven't gone to help him.
What exactly do you want to do? Do you want to disobey the king who has already asked you to stay away from his son? Or you want to disobey your mother who has also told you the same thing? What exactly do you want?
I know they said all of that. But look at this very well. He will be expecting me to stand strong for him.
That is exactly what you're doing. You are strong. You are one of the strongest maidens I have ever seen all my life. Listen, my friend. You are not going to disobey the king, neither your mother. Please, you really have to stay away. And I'm not going to be happy about it. Please. Please. Okay. If not for anybody, do it for your mother. And do it for me as well. Please.
Stop right there, you evil woman. What have you come to do to me again?
What have you been doing behind my back?
And who are you to ask me that useless question? This place is the abode of the prince. You do not have the right to be here. What are you doing here? And who told you can exercise your evil powers around me?
You have pushed me to the walls.
Then do your worst.
As someone I love, I wanted to handle you softly. But the way it is, I have to crush what has to be crushed.
And that thing can never be me. I am a man of Obendida, and your evil powers have no effect around me.
I was unable to sleep last night. The words of that young man kept repeating themselves in my head throughout the night. A particular evil woman that possesses strange devilish powers has been busy silently destroying the kingdom of Ubendida. Why have you not allowed me to deal with her? Why have you not allowed me to end her? As we speak, as I speak to you, this woman is busy destroying our kingdom silently. Oh. Is it when she succeeds in finally destroying the entire Ubendida kingdom that you will rise? I am listening. Oh, I should wait for the right time to come. Oh, when is the right time? Is it when you fall to the ground that you begin to display smartness? Display your smartness while up there. When is the right time? Oh, as I speak to you, that same woman is busy destroying this kingdom. Now her latest plan is how to desecrate the prince. That same prince that gives the highest present during each annual Bendida festival. That same prince. Why must we abandon him at a time like this? Why must we abandon him at a time like this? Why? Okay. Oh, that's all right. Okay, you want her to explore all her vanity before you can manifest. It's okay by me. It's very okay.
My very good friend, you're my friend and a brother. Do not play dumb on this. This woman is evil. I'm telling you.
What are you trying to say?
What I'm trying to tell you is that, believe me, let us live here. Because she's going to come back. She is evil. Let us live here.
Okunka, I just defeated this woman right before you took on her heels. Why are you trying to make her relevant?
No! I saw how she did not run. She walked away. Let us live here. That woman is evil. Do you understand? Let's live here because she is going to come back. If she meets you here, it is going to be disastrous.
I know what to do. I am going to offer a ram sacrifice to my chief.
That one is so fine. But your chief has not told you that he has resigned from protecting you if you fail to offer the ram today. Because I have lost count of the number of rams that you have killed for your chief. Let us live first. When we return, you can offer cow to your chief.
We run nowhere.
We are not running. We are going somewhere to
We go nowhere.
Anyaga walaga nu. Eh. Mbago igwanyo. Aye yo. Yeah. Alueme. Aye. Yeah. Who will save us? Who will liberate us? Aye. Mbago is evil. Aye. Onye ye kulanyo. Onye anolanyo. Aye.
What are you doing here this early? Has anyone offended you? You! I don't understand. What have I done?
Where is the prince?
The prince should be in his hut. I will send for him immediately.
Good.
Okudere, my king.
Get me the prince immediately.
Good.
As you wishes, my king.
Moving around this thing actually means there's a problem. What is it?
From what I know, mother, that woman is a manipulator. Someone needs to challenge her. She needs to be challenged.
And you think that person must be you? Why are you standing up against a woman who the men avoid? Eneka!
That is it. Mother, that is the manipulation that I am talking about. If the men of this land decide, they can deal with her. But no, they have not decided. That is why it appears as if she is the overall deity of this kingdom.
Now listen and listen good. This should be the last time I am discussing that woman with you. I will not do it again, and don't bring it up again. Did you get me?
Mother, what are you saying? That woman is standing in the way of my love with the prince. She is.
The prince. Let the prince be. Who says you must marry the prince or even marry from this land? There are other men out there. Please, my dear, just listen. Let the prince go.
Oh, mother. I can't forget him. I cannot imagine my life without the prince, mother.
My prince! My prince! My prince! My king, the prince is missing.
What do you mean by the prince is missing?
He's nowhere to be found, my king.
When elephants fight, the ground suffer. We have an agreement, and you have 4 days to produce the prince. You all think you have seen Mbago. The Mbago you will be seeing if you refuse to produce the prince will shake the very foundation of your existence. You will look for help. You will cry for help, but help will never come.
Now, Hodele, I need you to set out in search of the prince. Locate him wherever he is and bundle him back to the palace.
Please see, my king.
You, go with him.
I cannot just imagine my life without the prince.
Where is he? Come outside immediately before we set this hut on fire.
What is the meaning of this?
The prince has been missing, and I know that you are the one hiding him. So where is he?
How can you even say that?
Do you want me to report you to the central deity before you leave my family alone?
Go in there, search everywhere.
is nowhere to be found.
The gods of our land will punish you all for this act of wickedness you're pouring out on my daughter and I. You all will be punished.
The gods of our land will not punish us, for they know we are doing our job. Hey, let's go.
Could this be true? He loves me. That is why he ran away from that evil woman.
Now listen. Shut up. You are dreaming. I've warned you to stay away from that family, and I will not warn you again. Stay away from that family, Neka. Inania?
Quest of power is dangerous.
Honestly, I'm tired of everything. What kind of humiliation is that? The king's guard in and out of my house, not the first time, not the second time, in search of the prince, as if I'm holding the prince whole stage inside my heart.
This is getting serious. Nneka, if you ask me, I will suggest you should take your daughters to your brother's place. Yes.
I'll leave my husband's house and run away because of a fellow woman like me. Because she acquired evil powers with which she intimidates innocent souls.
My dear, just do it for the safety of you and for your daughter. I don't want anything to happen to you, Mabiko.
The next thing now, maybe you will be here, they will come. They will go and start looking for the prince, amongst my clothing. They had to do it. What kind of trouble is this?
Ben, please just do as I said. For the safety of you and of your daughter. Please, to avoid more harm coming to you. Please.
So I'll just run out of my husband's house. I'll run up because of a fellow woman. I'll pop me also.
Relax your mind, all right? Just relax, feel at home. This place is safe for you. Nobody will find you here. Oh?
So, Ogunga, does it mean you knew a day like this would come for you to have set up this place?
I did not set up this place. This is my father's hidden abode. Yes. It is only my mother and I who knows this place. You understand? So relax. We are safe here. We will stay here until we find a lasting solution to all this. So?
I want to personally appreciate you for everything you've done for me. Yes.
If not for you, I would have still been
under that woman's spell.
My
yes.
If you can take, don't mention, don't buy it. Forget about this thing. Yeah? What? Why am I your friend? I've told you, listen, whatever that has come to hurt you has also come to hurt me as well. Eh? You're my friend. Oh, you have forgotten. Eh? You have forgotten how you helped me when my parents passed away. You took me in as your brother. They said, don't look at me. A nobody is now dining with the reality.
Okunka, don't make this look like a big deal. It's a small thing. Yes, I helped her brother.
It is nothing because you have a good heart. Let me tell you, as far as this life is concerned, I will never, there's no way I can ever repay you back for all your kindness towards me. That's why I am using all these other ways to appreciate you for the good things that you've done for me. Thank you so much, my brother.
One more thing.
Mm.
I have told you to stop calling yourself a nobody.
But I am a nobody.
You are a great man with a heart of a lion. Yes. Whatever I do for you, I do for a brother. You are my right-hand man. My brother forever.
Ife Kante, the future king of Ogbendida Kingdom.
Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah. Away, away. Quest of power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous. Yeah, the quest for power is dangerous. The hunger for power is dangerous.
My prince, something is bothering me. I don't know how you are going to feel about it, but I've told you before that whatever that hurts you hurts me as well.
What is it? Say it.
It's because of all this thing that is happening now. Eh? Now that it has been confirmed that it is your father's ambition that led to this, can't we rise and stop them?
I agree with you. I have thought about it. But the question now is, where do we start? How do we stop them? Yes.
If you can't finish this one and then.
Yeah, balloon mango. Okay. I'm okay, I'm fine.
I have an idea.
Mbago, please. I am pleading with you. Give me more time. Please.
I have given you more than enough time. Today is the 3rd day and the coronation is in 2 days. My patience is small. I need the prince or you'll be gone.
For old time's sake, can you please make things easy for me? Please.
Ezabada, I do not have history with you. So I do not know what you meant by old time's sake. As way forward, I need that maiden to be arrested.
I have already issued an order barring her from coming anywhere near the palace. It was a direct order, and I know she will not disobey that order. What will I be doing with her if I arrest her?
She will be out bet. Arrest her. Arrest her immediately. Then we can take it up from there.
What is it? What is wrong with you? What happened? If you can do it is your father. I was just coming from our community. Your father has arrested Neka because of you. What? My father did what? I'm telling you. Oh. To rescue her, of course. But I need to rescue her. No, not now. Have you forgotten that your father, the king, is searching for you everywhere? You just have to rescue her. Is that what you want? So why did he arrest her? Why? Why did he arrest her? For what? For what? Listen, my prince. I believe probably this arrest is a way to lure you out so that they will grip you. I'm telling you. So relax. Don't worry. This is act to bring you out. And then they'll grab you. Let us plan the next move. Do you understand? Relax. No, relax. Actually, no. Listen. I want your safety. And I don't want to lose you to that witch again. Relax, don't worry.
Let me ask you.
Okay.
What is your plan? How do you intend to handle this? How do you want to do it?
We will move tonight. Do you understand? But just relax your mind. Just allow me to do the planning. By the time I gathered enough information, we'll move. But for now, relax. Let me do the planning. You understand? Eh? Do you understand me?
My love.
How people by love?
I am coming to rescue you. And I must rescue you.
But not now. Listen. They're going to, if I live here to gather this information and you move, you are your own.
Igwe, you are very right. You are very right.
You are very, very correct.
That's what it should be. No two ways about it.
Whoa. Mbago, how dare you enter the king's chambers without invitation? Don't you know that this is king's chamber and you have to respect the king and elders?
Bago, this is an absolute disrespect to the king and to the elders.
Elders of our land, please let us take it easy on her. Maybe she's here with special information for the Igwe.
Exactly. Onuoha is right. Let us allow her to speak.
I will ignore the insults from these elders because of what we are planning. Tomorrow is the coronation of King of Kings, Eze Ndi Eze of Omambala. The king has shown interest in becoming the Eze Ndi Eze. And I am here for the final preparation.
Igwe, are you still interested in this office that wants to consume you? King of Kings?
You see, Abate, don't allow me to fall out with you. Be very careful with your utterances. What do you mean by the office that can consume me?
Are you sick in the head or what? How can you say that?
Onyeze, I do not have time for the negative energy of these elders without ambition. I want to get busy with the preparation, and I need them to excuse me.
Elders, you don't need to be confused. Contrary to what some of you think, this is actually something big. What will elevate our kingdom from one level to another bigger level. It is on that note that I'm asking us to please excuse us. I want to get busy with her.
My king, we understand.
Good.
Ndichie.
My son was captured last night.
And that is why I'm here for the preparation. The rule for winning is that you must strip yourself of all royal protection. They want to see purity. Purity is the only thing that qualifies you for the prayer at Agbanabo.
So how are we going to achieve that? I am not saying I am not pure. I am pure. But I know that my level of purity may not be up to what they are expecting. So how do we handle this?
You worry too much. That is why you have me. I've prepared the charm that will neutralize everything. And it will uplift you to the state of purity. And this will intimidate every other contender. You will win. And the rest will be history.
Hey! I had always known that you can be trusted. Thank you. Thank you.
That the prince has been captured is one thing. That he has become mine is another. The former has happened. The latter has not happened. So when is it going to happen?
I am sorry for causing you pain. I never wanted you to suffer like this. I promise I will get you out of this. Okay.
I understand what is going on.
I really missed you. I could not stop thinking about you. That evil woman cast a spell on me. I totally forgot about myself and my existence. But thanks to the gods that my friend Okunka came to rescue me from her evil plans.
I really want to go home. I want to go back to my mother. She is all I have. And I do not want to lose her.
I know. She will go home. I will definitely make sure I get you out of this.
Yes. How did it go?
Okunka will have to do something.
Yes.
And it has to be done very fast. If not, she will succeed in defiling the prince.
May the gods of my land forbid.
Okay.
May the gods forbid. Oh. See. Kolonze. Kolonze. Can you arrange able vibrant young men. I mean, more young men to be part of this mission. No, forget about the payment. The prince will pay. Trust me, I promise you that the prince will pay when everything is settled.
Okunka, you don't understand what I'm saying.
I'm telling you, I trust my prince. If I can take he will pay. He will pay. Just arrangement. Strong, vibrant men.
The payment is not even the problem. The problem is that Mbago is involved in this problem. And you know that every villager is afraid of her.
I'm not afraid of that idiot. I am not afraid of that idiot that calls herself Mbago. Me. See, you idiot. Me. I am not afraid of her. I am not afraid of that idiot. Let her hear me wherever she might be. Every other one in this kingdom might be afraid of Mbago. I, Okunka, the son of Mbadiwe, is not afraid of that idiot. She's an idiot.
Reduce your voice, so.
All right, okay. Let her hear me. Mbago, Kebino, you are an idiot. What are you telling me? Listen, see. Okolonze, if you will listen to me, forget about the idiot. I'm telling you, forget about it. That woman is nothing as far as Okunka is concerned.
Okay.
You understand? Let us plan on how to make the use of the masquerade to send her out of this kingdom. Yes! Let us make the use of the potency of the masquerade of this kingdom to send her packing out of this community.
Okunka, I'm not here.
You heard me. You were here.
I did not hear you.
You heard me. By the time we involve the masquerade, she's as gone.
All others stayed away because they believe they do not have the purity to stay and pray at Abanabo. You stayed because you said you are qualified.
So how are we going to achieve that? I am not saying I am not pure. I am pure. But I know that my level of purity may not be up to what they are expecting. So how do we handle this?
You worry too much. That is why you have me. I've prepared the charm that will neutralize everything. And it will uplift you to the state of purity. And this will intimidate every other contender. You will win. And the rest will be history.
Hey! I had always known that you can be trusted. Well, they all ran away because they knew it. That I am the only one who is already qualified to be the Eze of Omambala.
Prove it! Come to the basket of water. Wash your hands and your face.
You're here. Just this.
Ogu, thank you very much.
You don't need to thank me. You need to leave here now. You need to go and save the king, your father.
Yes. Please, just take her to the rescued hut, okay? I'll be right back. You know that evil woman created all of this just to achieve her evil ambition. But I will stop her. I am going to stop her. Just take her to the rescue.
Please be safe. Be safe, Mama.
Come on. Come on, quickly. If you can take, if you can. Be safe.
Who is the person that can stop me? The idea of the King of Kings was created by me, Mbago. So I shall become the woman king today.
What have you done to my father, you evil woman? What have you done? Father!
Who freed you from bondage?
Father.
You're going to experience the agony of seeing your father dying.
Stop! Father.
Oh, Gidi! Oh, Gidi! Oh, Gidi!
What have you done?
Oh, Gidi! What are you doing, Joano? Tutu ani guini odaba ni mie.
You have to put yourself together. Stop hurting yourself. I know how you feel. You do not know how I feel. Oganga. You do not know how I feel. That evil woman killed my father in my presence. And you tell me you know how I feel? Because your father killed himself for associating with an evil woman who the gods abhor. He allowed himself to be led by that evil woman and then paid the ultimate price. No matter what he did, that evil woman has no right to humiliate a king by killing him in the presence of his people. No! She does not have the right.
You are the one saying this.
But you know what?
Hey. What?
I will avenge my father's death.
I agree with you.
I will do it. I don't have any problem with that. Whatever you are doing for the people, just know it that I am partnering with you. I am with you. I am by your side. But you and I have to agree first that your father killed himself. Was it not your father that gave access to that woman? What are you saying? What are you not saying you do? Listen, I am not disputing that fact. No. But I just told you that I said that whatever, no matter what he did, she has no right to humiliate my father by killing him in the presence of Stop this now. Ah!
I am sorry for everything I put you into. You have been through petition because of me. I am sorry I wasn't there to fight for you, to protect you.
It was never your fault. It was a father's greed and selfishness. It took him to his grave. I am sorry for all your losses. You do not deserve everything that you went through. You don't.
I know.
Tell me, what are you up to now that Mbago has ascended the throne?
That is one of the reasons I'm here. The kingdom is not safe. And I know she will not rest until she puts me down. Okunga and I have decided to go on an exile. We will return. I will definitely return.
You're right. Here is not safe for you. Can I come with you?
No. You don't have to. It is going to be a dangerous journey. I want you to be here. I promise I will come back to take you as my queen. Please. Alright?
I'm going to miss you.
Oh, greetings, Ini.
It's okay. I am going to miss you.
I'll miss you too. Have to be on my way.
I don't want to see you anywhere near me or my daughter. Did you get that?
Mother, why are you embarrassing him like this?
Shut up and go in. Shut up. Leave now. We have suffered enough because of you. Get out of my house and never come back again.
Mother, why you been hostile to him? He has done nothing than show me love.
Shut up and go in. Nonsense. I don't want to see you in this compound again. Rubbish.
I'm sorry.
It is fine. I have to go.
For how long are you going to suffer humiliation, all in the name of love? Forget about all these women and concentrate on things that lies ahead. Your lack of concentration is the reason why you lost your father. That is the same reason why we have a woman today ruling us as king.
And you are one of the cowards who are already seeing her as their king.
If not that you are my prince, I would have called you a Philip, which is the full meaning of good for nothing. Are you going to pretend like you don't know that she's already the king? And you are the reason she became king. If you fail to act, she will solidify her reign. And you know what that means. You will not have a kingdom to rule.
Okay. Could this be what they have been discussing? How is it my fault? How is this my fault?
Mother. Mother, what you did to the prince is not right. You know that everything that happened was never his fault.
Why are you continuously giving me the impression that you don't have sense?
Why would you say that, Mother?
And why won't I say that? Don't you have eyes to see the happenings around us? The gods are showing us signs that you two are not meant for each other. So, now tell me, what is it? Ever since you two started talking about this marriage, it has been from one trouble to the other. Neka, mepanyagi, see what is happening.
Mother, I believe that all of this trouble is because the prince and I have a great future together. It's just the evil ones that are trying to stop us. Yes.
Oh, Mom. Love may be blind to those that choose to be blind. But you and I are not blind, so we will not make mistakes, my dear.
I am no longer a child, Mother. I know what I am into. And I know that I am not making any mistake.
Now listen. When you see a woman that tells you that her child have suddenly become wilder than she is, then you are listening to a liar. You, my own child, will not be wilder than I am. Did you get that? And settle it down your head and your mind. Neka, I said settle it. If not, I will send you back to Onono to stay with my brother, your uncle.
Don't even say that, Mother, because I would never go back to Onono. Never.
Then, be wise. Did you get that? Whatever misfortune we're going through today, you caused it.
Mother, how did I cause it? Is it my fault that that evil woman started looking at my man?
Stop calling him your man. He is not your man and never had the intention of marrying you. If he had, he would have married you long before this woman started looking at him.
Mother, you're bringing a different interpretation to this and it's not fair. It's not fair.
Then shut up and let me think of a way out for us.
Mother, trust me. Nothing is wrong with us. At the appointed time, my man will step in. I promise you, you have to trust me.